In a quiet town library, a curious 5-year-old named Mina discovers shelves that hum with unseen voices. A door opens to a room where every sound is bottled like color, from raindrops to distant thunder, guiding Mina to practice listening. She matches each sound to pictures, turning shy whispers into confident words and tiny sentences that bloom. The librarian explains that rich auditory environments nurture memory, vocabulary, and storytelling, even before reading slips onto the page. Mina leaves with a pocketful of sounds, ready to fill her day with language and wonder.